Jack's Captain's frozen, cooked white shellfish is sourced from the Yellow Sea, renowned for its excellent water quality, suitable breeding environment, and mild climate conditions. It's a prime area for white shellfish. The coastal shallows and muddy areas provide an ideal habitat and abundant food sources for razor clams. This results in plump, flavorful specimens highly favored as seafood. Jack's Captain's frozen, cooked white shellfish is rich in protein, amino acids, and minerals, boosting immunity, providing essential nutrition. Simply place the product in hot water at 104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it sit for 5 minutes to thaw, and it's ready to be enjoyed straight from the bag. It's an excellent choice for a healthy diet. Each clam is carefully selected and processed to ensure premium quality. Then professionally frozen to preserve freshness and lock in nutrients. Every clam emits a refreshing, sweet oceanic aroma, with a delicate texture that delights the palate. Jack's Captain's globalized seafood feast from 26 countries.